Let me walk you through how to use Canva's Magic Write feature. It's Canva's AI text generator that can help you write anything from Instagram captions to YouTube scripts and even brainstorm ideas really quickly and easily. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video and social media design with ease. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more of these tutorials and tips. Canva Magic Write is currently in beta and available on Canva's free subscription for 25 queries. Canva Pro, Canva Teams, and nonprofits can generate 75 queries per month. Check out the link in the description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days so you can test out Canva Magic Write for yourself. Now let's get straight into the tutorial on how to use Magic Write in Canva. In order to get started with Canva Write, you will need to go to the Canva homepage, and from here you will need to select the Canva doc type. So it looks a little something like this. It says doc here. If you can't see it here, scroll across until you do. Otherwise, search in the search bar for doc. And if you search for that, you'll see it here. So simply select that and create a blank doc. You'll know that you're in the correct doc type because you'll see this plus icon here. Now, to get started with your next content masterpiece, start by clicking on that little plus icon. And when you do, you want to scroll down and select Magic Write. Here's where you want to enter in the text, a description of the text that you want generated. To get the best results, you want to include as much detail as possible. And if you want Canva to generate specific keywords for you in your content, you need to specify it in that sentence as well. So here's a prompt to write an Instagram caption, some short form content. Once you've entered in your prompt, hit the return or enter button and Canva will start writing it for you. So let's see what they come up with. You can see what it's generated here, and it's come up with an Instagram caption as well as the hashtags for me. So I think that's pretty good. Let's play with a couple of other options. Let's write a prompt to generate a YouTube script. So let's look at what it does when you ask Canva Magic Write to generate some longer form content. So this is the content that Magic Write has come up with, and it's not too bad. I think in terms of coming up with an outline for the script, it's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty close, and it definitely gives me a base to start with, which I can then go in and check the accuracy of it, edit it for my own personality, and change it to suit my own needs. Now let's do one more example. Let's take some text and ask Canva to rewrite this text. So I'm going to select the plus button again, select Magic Write, and I'm going to write the prompt to rewrite this. So there it has, it's rewritten the text. So not only can it generate text for you, it can rewrite text for you as well. I think it's done a pretty good job of rewriting the text, and I love the infinite possibilities you have to really jumpstart your content and give you a foundation to start writing from. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use Magic Write in Canva Docs. It really is about giving you a base to write from that will save you so much time. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me and let me know in the comments section below how you will use Canva's Magic Write tool and what other Canva training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your own YouTube videos, you'll definitely want to grab my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grab your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.